Luna?
Hello, Bear. It's so nice to see you. It was so dark and stormy. I wasn't sure we'd be able to have our usual chat.
I know, and that would have been a shame because so much happened in the big blue house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, everyone was a little scared by all the thunder and lightning. But inside, we were all perfectly safe.
Houses are good for that.
True. Hey, Luna, I was just wondering, has there ever been a time when you were afraid?
Oh, well, you know, Bear, everyone gets afraid now and then, even me.
Really? But what do you do when you're afraid?
Well, I learned a long, long time ago that if I just take a minute and wait, I almost always feel better. It's the secret to being brave. You do it a minute at a time.
Really? Wow. Did you know that?